In this video, I'll show you how to program the most generic universal remote. This is literally the cheapest remote you can find. For example, an Acoyer or whatever brand you have. Step 1. Turn on your device. Power on the TV, DVD player or device you want to control. Step 2. Enter setup mode. Press and hold the setup button on the remote for around 3 seconds until the indicator light turns on. Step 3. Select device type. Press the button representing your device type, for example TV, DVD, AUX, or also STR or other options. Step 4. Enter code. Input the code from the code list for your device brand. The indicator light should turn off, confirming code acceptance. Step 5. Test the remote. Aim the remote at your device and try controlling it. If it doesn't work, repeat the input with another code. Now I also have an alternative method for you, and that is auto code search. Press and hold the setup button until the indicator lights. Press the device key, then repeatedly press power every 5 seconds until the device powers off. Press enter or OK to save. And that is how you program the most generic universal remote, for example an Acoyer or whatever brand you have. And because you made it till the end of this video, I got a nice picture of my dog. Thanks for watching, subscribe.